got wigs, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie and say I didn't peek at it, because I did, and I am highly impressed. Okay, first of all, inside the box, you got your standard wig cap, and you got the wig. I'm not gonna even lie. Okay, before I get to it, this is a 13 by 4. It's 150% density. It's pre-plucked with baby hair. And the color is Honey Blonde Piano. Yeah, Honey Blonde Piano. And I did write that down on some paper. OMG. Okay, so this is my honest review of this Shein wig. And the question is, how does it smell? How does it feel? First of all, how does it smell? Because you know when y'all get them wigs, they be smelling like fish. They be smelling like ammonia, everything. Okay, so this is the standard 13 by 4. Comes with your combs. 1, 2, 3. One in the back. Okay. The question is, will I be able to put this on directly out of the box? Or will I have to bleach the knots? This is how it looks up close. Looking pretty good to me. Let's see. I don't know if y'all could see that. Not bad, not bad. It's super soft. Oh my God. Super soft, y'all. I'm loving it. Okay, so it was good, but it still needed to have like a little bit work done to it. So what I did was I did go ahead and pluck it a little bit more. You see this long line indentation, I had to get that out, as well as thin out the edges a little bit more to my liking. So I did bleach the knots. So these are the knots that are bleached. And now it looks a little bit better against my skin. I don't know if you can really see that good. And you know, I'm a part of the little bitty head committee. So I actually like cut a big chunk out of it in the back, and I resized it to fit my little pea head. I'll put the comb back in it, and the 2 little straps that was connected in the back, I just went ahead and sewed those together so that I can have a perfect fit. So now when I put it on, super snug. Look, super snug. Super snug. So let's see what I can do with this. First, I'm going to try to create some layers in the front so I can fall right. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of curls in here with the curling wand. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of pin curls, and then I'm going to do the install. So I left the pin curls in about 30 minutes. I did spray them with holding spray while they were drying. And as you can see, I did not do a lot. I only did about 10 because y'all know not only is my head little, my face is little too. So if I would have did too much, I would have been looking like a roach or something like that. But you know, it only takes a couple. You don't have to do like a whole bunch. Like Michael Jackson with my wig on. Y'all know I gotta do something to make y'all laugh. All right, let's get to it. So the ball cap is already done. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess ball cap from around the edges, clean my edges, put the makeup on, and throw this wig on and see how she looks. So this is called the triple melt method because first you're applying your glue, 1 or 2 nice layers of glue, and then before you lay your lace down, you're going to apply your melting spray or a nice coat of spritz or got to be glue spray. Then you're going to lay your lace down. After that, once your lace is laid, you're going to go ahead and take some more holding spray and do around the edges. So you're doing 3 totally different things. Triple melt method. So now that the lace is done, I'm just blending in the lace with my skin with the makeup. Then I'm going to apply the last coat, which is the holding spray around the edges, just to make sure that everything is tight because I'm not leaving any baby hair down today. So I really want to see how this comes out. So for this next step, I'm going to be using just a little bit mousse around the edges before I tie it down, and we will be done. Well, I guess Shein wigs is all that. I'm absolutely loving the fit. I'm loving the feel, the texture, the look, the color. Yes, it's everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I don't want y'all to miss none of my videos because, baby, look, your bitch is back.